What is ATMOS? ATMOS is more than a name. It's a feeling, a rhythm, an atmosphere where everything, nature, architecture, design, and lifestyle exists in perfect harmony. At ATMOS, we don't just build homes. We design atmospheres. For families to grow. For peace to breathe. For memories to live. Why is ATMOS different? While others build walls, we create worlds. While others talk square feet, we talk about quality of life. At ATMOS, every project is a thoughtful blend of timeless architecture, lush green surroundings, smart, sustainable living, and a lifestyle you love coming home to. Our difference is simple. Legacy with vision, 10+ years of trust and innovation. Design first thinking, every villa crafted, not copied. Eco-conscious living, nature is not an afterthought, it's the foundation. Premium without pretense, we build luxury that feels like home. So, what is ATMOS? ATMOS is where the future lives. Where life slows down, quality rises up, and every corner feels just right. Welcome to ATMOS Lifestyle. Not just real estate. Real living.